Hello, my dear family members. I hope all of you are preparing for TCS NQT, and I hope all of you are having your exam on 26th of February 2025. So, if you are having also, then please watch till the end. It will be very much helpful for you because in the playlist of TCS NQT 2025 preparation, we are including all the recent questions with answers, all the previous year questions. So please watch the playlist, okay, so that it will be very much helpful for you. And there we are including all the verbal ability questions, all the reasoning, advanced quants, then codings, everything you require, okay. So please watch the playlist and please share that, and also please subscribe so that I will be motivated, okay. So let's start with the questions and let me share the experience in the parallelly, okay. So let me start with the first question. So the first question will be from, yeah, actually I am sharing the previous year questions only, okay. So if you are able to solve, then please start solving by yourself. If you can't, then only start watching, okay. So this is the question from last year. So the question is, FGH, KL, and N are 8 people. They need to group into two with the condition, okay. So F and G must be in the same group. So let me just write what they are telling. F and J must be in the same group. So let me connect them, F and J. So I'm not good at drawing, so I hope this is understandable. G and N must be in the different groups, okay, must be in the different groups. So let me put them differently. H and L must be in the same group. H and L must be in the same group. And M and G are not in the same group, okay. M and G are not in the same group. So let me place M here, and sorry, M and G must not be in the same group, right? So that's why I should not place M here, okay. So M should be here and the remaining is K, okay. So the correct answer will be what? That is FJ, KL, M and GH, or something else, that is FJ, GK, MN, HL. So this order is right. So FJ, HL, yes, FJ, HL, MN, GK. So this one is the correct answer, okay. And let me just tell you guys, this is the very similar questions which are being repeated. So this type of questions, setting arrangement questions or anything arrangement related questions are very important. So please solve this type of questions, okay. And if you want to get the free resources, okay, so if you want to get the free resources, then follow India Wix website, okay. You can practice from that India Wix website, and there you can just specifically search for TCS NQT questions, okay. So there you can get the free materials or free resources. And if you want the premium materials of TCS NQT, in which you will get all the related questions which are being repeated, all the recent questions, previous year questions, technical interview questions, verbal ability, mock test, everything, then you can just DM me at my Insta handle. This is paid but very affordable, and like you are going to crack the exam with the help of these premium materials, okay. So if you want, then you can just DM me, okay. And if you have any financial issue, then you can also share the problem, okay. So let me go to the next question. So the next question is this, okay. So in how many ways can the digit of the number 223355 4 times 8 be arranged so that the odd digits are placed in the even positions, okay. So 900, 450, 225, 360. So how can you solve the problem? Okay. So at first let me pull the number 223355 4 times 8, right? So if you want to see watch the video at 2x, then please do that. Anyhow, just learn the concepts, learn the questions, and like go through the videos and go through the questions, okay. So the digit of the numbers are these, okay. And they want us to place all the odd digits at the even positions, okay. So here total number of digits are 2 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, okay. So total number of digits are 10, okay. So the positions are 1 2 3 4 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so among these 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so these are the 5 even digits. Okay, so and here total odd digits present 4. Okay, 2 2, sorry, 3 3, 5 5, so total 4 odd digits are present, and total 5 positions, even position present 5. Okay, so you have to place this 4 odd digit among these 5 even positions, in any of the 5 positions. Okay, so in how many ways you can, like, can the digit of this number be arranged so that the odd digits are placed in the even positions? So you have to go through few formulas. So what are the formulas? Those are, so here, uh like, yeah, so as you can see here, total even position, sorry, odd number 3, count of 3 is 2, and count of 5 is 2. Okay, so odd digits are, like, total odd digits present 2, but they are having count 2 each. Okay, so that's why, so odd place combination will be 5, as this is even positions possible, even positions number. Okay, so odd place combination will be 5 factorial by 2 factorial and 2 factorial. This is the like count of each odd number. Okay, so 2 factorial, 2 factorial, so this will become 120 by 4, that is becoming 30. Okay, and like even number is 2 and 8 only present. Okay, so they are also, now, like, their count is 2, and here 8 counts is 4. Okay, so now positions combination will be even position combination will be, uh yeah, their count is 6, right? Their count is 2 and 4, that is 6. So 6 factorial by 2 factorial and 4 factorial, so this is becoming 6 factorial is equal to 120 into 5 factorial, right? So how can you do that? 6 multiply 5 factorial, right? So 5 multiply 4 factorial, so this 4 factorial and 4 factorial just cut out, and this is remaining 2 factorial, right? So 6 multiply 5, that is 30 by 2, that is 15. So 15 multiply 30 will be the total combination. Okay, 15 multiply 30, that becomes 450. Okay, so this will be the correct answer. I hope this is a little bit confusing, but still understandable. Okay, so if you are not following the playlist, please follow that so that it will be helpful for you only. Okay, okay, so let me go to the next question. Probably that will be a quiz question for you. So yeah, so the quiz question is, uh yeah, the quiz question is, guys, as you can see, the telegram channel. So this is the telegram channel for discussing regarding your placement. So you can join there, t.me/ubkanna. This will be related to hiring updates and also for various corporate updates. Okay, so you can join there. Okay, what is the remainder of this 16937 to the power 30 by 31? So this is a very easy question, so I'm not going to solve this. So this will be a quiz question for you. Please solve the problem and give the answer in the comment section. And if you don't, like, if you can't solve, then please update me that please upload video regarding remainder shortcut tricks. Okay, so this is also important topic in TCS NQT, so please start solving that. Okay, so let me go to the next question, that is this. In a G6 summit being held in London, a French, a German, an Italian, a British, a Spanish, and a Polish diplomat represent their respective countries and participate in a round-table conference to strengthen the cooperation between the countries. Okay, there are exactly 6 chairs evenly spaced around the circular table. Okay, the chairs are numbered 1 to 6 with successively numbered chairs next to each other, and chair number 1 next to chair number 6. Each chair is occupied by one of the diplomats. The number conditions apply. Okay, the following conditions apply. So Polish sits immediately next to British. So the first condition was given, that is they are sitting in a round table. Okay, in a round table. I'm not good at drawing. Okay, Polish sits immediately next to British. Polish sit immediately next to British. And German sits immediately next to Italian. German sits immediately next to Italian. So we can draw this way as of now. Okay, so let me go to the next yeah. So French does not sit immediately next to Italian. Okay, so French must not be here. French must be somewhere between P and G, not between them. Or it can also be placed here, but they are immediately like sitting at next to each other. Okay, P and B. So French does not sit immediately next to Italian. That's why we have to place somewhere not next to Italian. Okay. If Spanish sits immediately next to Polish, if Spanish sits immediately next to Polish, Spanish does not sit next to Italian. Okay, Spanish does not sit next to Italian. Okay, so this is the like combination you can draw. So what is the question? Which of the following sitting arrangement of the 6 diplomats in chair 1 to 6 would not violate the given condition? So let me just check that. So French, Polish, British, Italian, Spanish, German. French, Polish, German, sorry, French, Polish, British. So French, Polish, uh, French, Polish, British, Italian. Okay, let me go from the last options. So French, Spanish, Polish, British, German, Italian. French, Spanish, Polish, British, German, Italian. So why this is not possible? Because if this is number 1 seat and if this is number 6 seat, then they are sitting next to each other, and it is told that French does not sit immediately next to Italian. So that's why this is at first eliminated. Okay, so I'm going through like elimination round. Okay, so we are just eliminating the points. French, German, Italian, Spanish, Polish, British. Is this possible? French, German, Italian, Spanish. So Italian and Spanish cannot sit next to each other. So that's why this option also gets removed. Okay. French, German, Italian, Polish, British, Spanish. Is this possible? French, German, Italian, Polish, British, Spanish. Is this possible? Yes, this can be a possible option. It can be a possible option. Okay, yes, this option can be a possible option, option B, because if we just shift this, okay, P and B, if we just shift this, then this can be a proper option. Okay, let me go to this point. French, Polish, British. French, Polish, British, Italian, Spanish. Italian and Spanish cannot be sit. Okay, cannot sit next to each other. Okay, so this is also eliminated. So this is likely to be most correct answer. Okay, so that's why option B would be the correct answer. If your answer is also same, then congratulations, and like you can also challenge my answer, so I hope you will do so. Okay, let me go to the next question. So that is, so whatever questions I am going to share with you, please give importance, because this type of questions are being asked only. Okay, so I have shared already one advanced quants question. So if you are able to solve, then like you can assume that you are prepared. Okay, and I am going to solve several questions, several paper. So if you are watching, then you will be prepared as well. Okay, so Joke is a faster than Paul. Joke and Paul each walk 24 kilometers. The sum of their speed is 7 kilometers per hour, and the sum of times taken by them is 14 hours. Then Jack's speed is what? So if you are you are watching the video, then please have the pen and paper with you right now and start solving the problem. Okay, so what we know, that is speed is equal to distance by time. Okay, and time is equal to distance by speed, right? So what is the distance, what is the speed of Jake, and what's the speed of let's say Paul? We don't know, right? So assume any of them. Let's say Jake speed is x. So obviously their sum of the speed is 7 kilometer per hour. So that's why we can tell if x plus y is equal to 7. So obviously y is equal to 7 minus x, right? So if Jake's speed is x, then Paul speed will be 7 minus x, right? So this is the speed of Jake, this is the speed of Paul. So what they have also given, that is they have total walked 24 kilometer, that is the distance. Okay, distance is equal to 24 and total time is equal to 14. So if we just apply this formula, time is equal to d by s. So d by s, so this is the s, right? This is the s of J, this is the speed of P. So speed of J, so we have to implement this formula, right? Time is equal to distance by speed. So what is the time they have taken? That is 14, sorry 20, no, they have taken the time 14 hours. Okay, and here you should have to sum up their time, d by s plus d by s. Okay, so d by s means 24 by s is x for J, I mean Jake, and 24 by 7 minus x for whom? 7 minus x for Paul. Okay, so you have to calculate this, then you will get the answer. Okay, so basically let me just solve it. Okay, so if we just calculate this one now, this will become x 7 minus x, then x cut out, then 24 into 7, that becomes 168 x, then 24 minus 24x plus 24x. Okay, so that will be cut out, then 14. Okay, so again this will be divisible, so 14 multiply 12, that is 168. So 12x by this, yes, sorry, actually this should not be 168x, this will be only 168. So 12 will be the number at the above. Okay, so 12 is equal to 7x minus x square. Okay, so x square minus 7x plus 12. Okay, I hope this is visible to you guys. So then you can just simplify this way, x into x minus 3 and plus plus 4 into x minus 3. Okay, so x is equal to minus 4 and x is equal to 3. Okay, so x is equal to 3 means Jake's speed will be 3 km per hour and Paul's speed will be 4 km per hour. Okay, so Jake's speed will be 3. Okay, so I hope this is fine. I hope this is at least understandable. Okay, let me go to the next question. So the next question is this: a child is looking for his father. Okay, he went 90 meters in the east before turning to his right. He went 20 meters before turning. So whenever you are getting a problem from what? from directional sense, then just start drawing. Okay, so a child is looking for his father. He went 90 meters in the east. Okay, in the east. So I hope you are clear about this. This is east, this is north, this is west, and this is south. Okay, he went 90 meters in the east. Okay, he went 90 meters in the east. Let me just write it, 90 meters. Okay, east, before turning to his right. So that means the next move will be in the right. Okay, so he went 20 meters, so in the right 20 meters. So then let me just write 20 meter, 20 meters, 20 meters before turning to his right again to look for his father at his uncle's place 30 meters from this point. Okay, so his next movement to the right also. Okay, so that means 30 meters to reach his uncle's place. Okay, so that means this is 30 meter, and his father was not there. He went 100 meters to his north before meeting his father in the street. Okay, so 100 meters, this is total 100 meters total from this point to this point. Okay, so what the question is, how far did the son meet his father from the starting point? So his father is at here and his starting point is here. So the distance between these, they are asking what is the distance between this. So to calculate this, as you can see, there is a triangle formed. Okay, so we have to know the distance of this and also this, so that we can get the distance between S and F. Okay, that means his father distance and the starting point. So what is the Pythagoras rule? That is, let's say this is O. Okay, so you have to get a root over of OS square plus OF square. Okay, so I think I should not explain more about this. So what is the distance between the like this point to this point? Let's say this is A. So what is the distance between A and S? That is 90. So what is the distance between this and this? We don't know, but how can we know that? That is, the distance between this is 30, so this is also 30. Okay, so that's why the distance between O and S, that will be 90 minus 30, so that will be 60. Okay, that will be 60, and this distance will be what? So total distance between let's say this is I. Okay, so F and I is 100. Okay, distance between F and I is 100 kilometer or meter. Okay, and as we know that this distance is 20, so this is also 20 meter. Okay, so this distance is also 20 meter, I and O. Okay, so the remaining distance is 80, so this distance should be 8. O and F is what? 80. Okay, so that's why according to the formula, the distance between S and F will be 60 square plus 80 square. So 3600 plus 6400. Okay, so this becomes 100 actually. Okay, so the distance between S and F will be 100. Okay, so I hope you understood the points and like you have visualized what the problem is asking. So guys, again I'm requesting you to have the prime materials of TCS NQT, in which you are getting all the verbal ability questions, all the technical interview questions, all the HR questions, all the advanced quants, advanced reasoning questions, everything you are getting. Also mock tests are there. So this cost only 99 rupees, but still we are giving few offers. Just damn me at my Insta handle, or you can like knock me at my Telegram as well, or you can just spend 89 rupees, or if you have any financial issue, then let me know in the comment section, or you can also damn me. Okay, so I'll try to assist you. Okay, let me go to the next slide. Okay, so this is the again a easy question. So 146, 60, 48, 30, sorry. So 28, 24, 20, 18, choose odd one. So this is a very easy question. I'm not going to solve this problem. So please give the answer in the comment section. So I hope this much of discussion is enough for today's session. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe this channel and watch the playlist regarding any component that you want, so that you can get placed. Okay, so ultimately this is matter if you are placing on, if you are getting placed or not. Okay, so I hope you will be keep watching all the videos regarding any required company. So thank you for the session.